Hey there, I'm meteorologist Elizabeth Copeland. A very active day across western Montana, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. High winds affecting all of western Montana this afternoon. Power outages are being reported already with gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour in valleys, up to 60 across those peaks. Winter weather advisories in effect for these areas in purple, up to a foot in mountains, 2 to 5 inches in valleys, and that does include Evero Hill. So please be careful out there. Even snow possibly falling to valley floors tonight as temperatures stay cool through the overnight hours. A few light snow showers possible for valleys. The main impact for slick roads will be in these higher elevations. So the impacts over the next few days: high wind, obviously up to 60 mile per hour gusts, means power outages, property damage because of blown items from your yard or others' yard that hit your house, or even cracked trees falling on some of those cars and houses and power lines. Slick passes, snow squalls, absolutely possible in those upper elevations, which means a heavy amount of snow near zero visibility over about 1 to 3 hour period on and off through those major passes into north central and into Idaho. North central Montana and Idaho passes all being affected by this wind and snow. So wind, not done with it today. We keep it in the forecast through Tuesday. High wind warnings end on Tuesday, but we finally calm down on Wednesday. Temperatures increase, and we have a lot more warm air and calmer conditions to end our week. But until then, snow will be falling heavy at times. Again, snow squalls possible through those passes and upper elevations, especially Evero Hill, the Divide, and into north central Montana and Idaho through Tuesday afternoon. Valleys stay dry for the most part on Tuesday. We all calm down and warm up on Wednesday afternoon.